Okay, well, I had one. I had one of the best sleeps I've had in a long time. It was bloody great. It was just a shame it was in the middle of the day. Today I went to church, and then my mother tagged along because it's Father's Day. We both went to church. Um, I had a hot chocolate with her. We then went to IKEA, and that was good fun until it wasn't. Um, then they went to kindy to do work, so I stayed here and had one of the best sleeps I've had in a long time. It's 7 o'clock. I've now got to just relax, watch a movie or something. Wait for mum and dad to come back. We watch a movie as a family together, and that'll be it. So yeah, goodbye.